Okay, this is Divine Abaz. Very quickly, I want to show you guys how to do automatic funding through the company accounts. All right. So before you do that, there are three very key things that will determine if it will be successful or it will go through smoothly. Number one is this: you have to make sure that the phone number that is on your Ragp account you want to fund must not be on any other account. If you have multiple accounts in Ragp, so you have to get your phone number of on the account that you are trying to do automatic funding to. All right, so that is number one. Number two is that automatic funding works with your bank mobile app. All right, because the information, the detail that will determine the account that you are trying to fund, it's working with your bank mobile app. That's number two. Then number three, for you to do this funding smoothly, Recharge and Get Paid has 4 different account numbers in 4 different banks. It is advised that you must own an account in at least one of these 4 banks, which are Diamond Bank, UBA, First Bank, and Zenith Bank. And the same procedure goes for all these banks if you are doing automatic funding. So for myself, I use Diamond Bank to do the automatic funding. All right. Then number 3, you have to know that this automatic funding you're about to do attracts 70 naira charge. The payment processor charges 70 naira. It's not as if Recharge and Get Paid deliberately charges you 70 naira. Okay, the people behind this technology, behind this service they are rendering, is charging 70 naira. So that's why you are paying extra 70 naira. If you want to avoid this charge, that's why we always advise you fund through your upline. Like for example, now I'm getting this fund on behalf of my team. They don't have to worry about the 70 naira charge. That's why we always advise you guys that you fund through your upline, so that, for example, if you want to do 1,000 naira, it wouldn't be nice or profitable for you to be charged 70 naira because of 1,000. You can easily reach your upline and get that fund. All right, so you must have an account in at least one of these 4 banks that I mentioned, that Recharge and Get Paid owns an account there, and you want to do your automatic funding. So it is advised you do same bank transfer. If you are banking with Zenith, if you have an account with First Bank, UBA, so you transfer to the same Recharge and Get Paid account in those banks that you are banking with. So I'm banking with Diamond Bank, or I use my Diamond Bank account to do automatic funding. So I'm transferring to Recharge and Get Paid Diamond Bank account. All right, so I've already put the account number. It's taking me to the page that I'm going to put the purpose of payment. Now, if you are using Zenith Bank, what you are going to see is transaction description. If you are using First Bank, what you are going to see is narration. It is in that narration place now that is the key thing in this process of automatic funding. All right. So if you are using Diamond Bank, is purpose of payment. Now, in this purpose of payment, remember I said the phone number that you're going to put must be on the Recharge and Get Paid account that you are trying to fund, and it must not be on any other of your account on Recharge and Get Paid if you have multiple accounts. So I put the phone number that is on the username on the Ragp account that I'm trying to fund. That's the phone number you input in this place that you have purpose of payment. If you are using Zenith Bank, that place you have transaction description. You put the phone number of the Ragp account, of your Ragp account you are trying to fund. All right, so you can quickly check that on your details. When you log into your dashboard, you click on your profile details. It will show you check the phone number. All right, so I put my phone number that is on my Ragp account that I'm trying to fund. Then when you do that, you leave a space. Please look at the screen very well, watch the video very well. When you put the phone number, you leave a space, then put your username. All right, so my username is Divine Abaz. Okay, that's it. So that's all. You put your PIN. That is, after putting the account number of Recharge and Get Paid, it will take you to this page. You put the amount that you want to fund. If you want to fund 5,000, you do 5,070 naira, so that they will take the charge and you get the 5,000 naira whole in your Ragp e-wallet. All right, so you put the phone number that is on the Ragp account you are trying to fund. If you don't know the phone number, when you log into your account, go to menu, then click on profiles. You see view profile, you check the phone number that is on your Ragp account, and make sure the number is not on any other of your Ragp account if you have multiple accounts. So when you do this, that's all that is required for you to fund your Ragp account. It's just like a normal transfer. The only difference is in this place that you have to input the purpose of your payment for Diamond Bank, or your transaction description for Zenith Bank, or your narration for First Bank, and the same thing for UBA. So you don't do interbank transfer. If you are using UBA, you transfer to Recharge and Get Paid UBA account, but you follow the same procedure. So when I do this, I put my PIN. I've already put my PIN. So I click on continue. Now it will show you review to confirm what you're about to do. You can see there on the screen, I'm transferring to Recharge and Get Paid account. You can see on the screen, that's showing me on my balance now. Then the amount I'm transferring on the third column now. Then the purpose of payment. You confirm the phone number again. Remember, I say you put your phone number, leave a space, you put your username. That's what will authenticate this automatic funding. If you do this, I click on confirm. Okay, all right, now it is successful. Now what you just did, now you've just performed automatic e-wallet funding. You can see that they send me a debit alert. If I log into my Ragp account now, you will see that the money has reflected in my dashboard. Are we together? So it is as simple as that. If you log in immediately after the transfer and following the process I just showed you, and you don't see the money, just give it at least 5 minutes. It's going to reflect in your Ragp account. Please, once again, remember, you are doing same bank transfer. If you are with Zenith Bank, you transfer to Recharge and Get Paid account in Zenith Bank, following the same procedure with your mobile app. So I encourage all of you to make sure that your mobile apps are all up to date. The same thing goes for First Bank and UBA, the same procedure. All right, so okay, let me quickly log into my account to see if the money has reflected. All right, so when you do that, you log into your Ragp account to see if your account has been funded. Okay, I had 300 and something naira. Okay, you see now, I had 247 naira. If you scroll down to your dashboard, you see now 140,000 has been funded. Your phone number and Diamond Bank. So it is automatic. When you do it as I just showed you, your account will be funded immediately. I had 247 naira. As you can see it on my screen now, my account has been funded. See it here. You can see it down there, 140,000. So it is automatic. Just make sure you follow this process. Thank you very much. I hope that this video tutorial helps you. Once again, and Divine Abaz, have a wonderful time. Success.